Once upon a time, in a modest town renowned for its vibrant markets and friendly people, there was a young man named Ali. Raised in an environment rich with cultural diversity, Ali had always been curious about different religions and beliefs, but had never explored them deeply. One day, while sipping tea at a local café, Ali overheard a couple discussing Islam and was intrigued by the mention of a new way of life centered upon a profound connection with the divine. Ali's curiosity led him to his friend Sam, who was known for being knowledgeable about Islamic teachings. Sam, Ali began, I've been hearing about Islam recently, and I'd like to understand it better. What is Islam exactly, and how does one become a Muslim? Sam smiled warmly, recognizing the spark of interest in Ali's eyes. Islam, he explained, is a monotheistic religion that centers on the belief in one God, whom we call Allah. As Muslims, we follow the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the final messenger who brought the Quran as guidance for all mankind. Ali listened intently as Sam elaborated on the essence of Islam, feeling an unexpected affinity towards its principles. Is it challenging to convert to Islam? Ali queried earnestly. Becoming a Muslim is actually quite straightforward, Sam assured him. The core step is to genuinely believe that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. This belief is expressed through the Shahada, the declaration of faith. Once you sincerely accept this truth in your heart and declare it, you officially become a Muslim. The simplicity of the process surprised Ali. It sounds uncomplicated, he admitted. Is there more I should understand before deciding to embrace Islam? After accepting Islam, some foundational practices become part of your life, like praying 5 times daily, fasting during Ramadan, and giving charity, Sam responded thoughtfully. But what truly matters in starting this journey is the sincerity of your heart. With genuine intention, these practices will naturally integrate into your life over time. Ali left the cafe that day deep in thought. Ali contemplated the meaningfulness of adopting a belief system that promised serene guidance and purposeful living. And so, Ali's exploration into Islam began, marked by the sincerity of his heart and the embrace of a faith that promised unity, peace, and spiritual growth. The story of Ali reminds us that sincere intentions and genuine belief are the most important foundations of any spiritual journey.